So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to access your credit reports on the KOHO Financial application. So once the app is opened up on the main screen here, so go to the bottom left, press home, then at the top where it says spend, credit, borrow, save, invest, press on credit, and then just scroll down a little bit here to where it says more ways to build credit, and where it says credit report, your credit decoded, go ahead and select that option. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you're able to go ahead and view your credit report. So get a personalized credit report to learn what makes up your credit score and see what you can improve on. You can go ahead and read more information about it as well. But once you want to keep going with this, go ahead and press on Get Access at the bottom. Then on this page right here, you have to go ahead and actually upgrade your account in order to get everything to do with your credit report. So you can go ahead and get the free trial if you want. You can press maybe later, but basically, if you want to go ahead and proceed with this, that's how you guys can do it. So press get the free trial and just go from there when it comes to accessing your credit report. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to access your credit report on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.